Hello, my name is Zachary Goodson. I am a visual effects compositor and tracking artist who has over 15 years of visual effects experience. I would say my top 3 to 4 credits would probably be Black Panther, Thor, Ragnarok, Aquaman, and Captain Marvel. And this workshop that I'm going to teach you guys about is all about 2D and 3D tracking to help streamline and make your 2D comps, especially for TV and film, go much faster and more efficient.